Alright guys, just got off work. It's about 12 midnight. I'm going to head home right now, drop some stuff off, get changed, and then I'm going to head down to Maryland, southern Maryland, and hunt some public land. Yeah, weather's looking good and I'm excited, man. Start the morning out. Usually hit this logging road and just kind of walk and hear some gobbles. So see how it goes. Oh baby, it's brisky this morning. I'm going to put my beanie on, but I'm making my way up this trail now to where they roost. I'm running a little late, so I gotta hurry up and get up here, but haven't heard any gobbles yet. I'm gonna buzz up this trail, and then once I get to the big open hardwood, I'm just gonna kind of listen and hopefully hear a gobble. But it's a beautiful morning. Should be a good one. I know it's probably hard for you guys to see through this camera, but see all these turkey scratchings in here. Right up in here, a lot of fresh scratchings. So what I'll do basically is I'm just kind of making my way through the bottom of this swamp, and just kind of every once in a while stopping and calling, letting out some yelps and some clucks. Cause you never know when a gobbler's just like right over a knoll, you know, close by. These fresh scratchings in here let me know that these turkeys are definitely passing through here. So just kind of see the stuff like this, take the time to stop real quick. Yelp, 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 yelp. See if you can get a response. Oh man, I don't think I got that shot on film. Down here on the west shore of Maryland, southern public land. I thought for sure the way they were strutting coming in, there was a big gobbler in there, but they were all jakes. So I just shot the one that kept strutting. But there was a bigger one in front of him I couldn't get on, that had a longer beard, but they weren't coming any closer. Those birds weren't coming any closer. I don't know if it's because I think they might have seen me standing behind those decoys, or sitting behind those decoys. I'll show you my setup quick. It's tucked in right there. right along this tree, and I had my camera right there, and I think that tree got in my way of the camera when I shot him. So it came right off this hill right here. I thought they'd come right in, but they didn't. He ain't no giant, but AL came in, and he was the only one that kept strutting. So I was hoping he was actually at least a mature bird, but appears to be a Jake. West Shore, Maryland. There was probably like, what, 4 or 5 of them that came in. There's scrapings all along this hardwood point here where these cedars meet these white oaks, and I let out a few yelps and they hollered and they came in quick, man. I'll take it, you know what I mean? I got 2 tags from Maryland, so shooting a Jake doesn't really bother me. To me, it's just all about getting out and having fun. Chasing these things is much of a pain they can be sometimes. Yep. He's got a nice little beard on him. So, take him home, pluck him out, and PA opens up tomorrow, so we'll see what happens there. Got a little spot I'm going to go to in the River Hills, see if I call in Longbeard. And then the following week I'm going to go up to the mountains and, because I got a second tag for Pennsylvania too, but, man. Opening day of PA, set up on the River Hills. Got gobblers all over the place up here right now. These turkeys are getting close. I gotta shut off and get ready. Got him, baby. Oh. Look at this crap. Freaking opening day, Pennsylvania, baby. On the River Hills. And the thing is, I even got up late, like super late, because I wanted to just kind of see where everyone was today. And I come back in here to a spot that I kind of been hunting since I was young. And man, they are everywhere. I'm pretty sure there's another gobbler coming in right now. I did shoot a Jake though. I tried to shoot the one with the biggest beard. I'm like a Jake magnet, man. I don't know, like, it just get me fired up. I can't just pass them up and keep hunting, you know what I mean? It gets me out here, it's fun, you know. Gee, man, there's still another one hammering. So like I said, I got in here late, but I came to a spot where I know turkeys roost every year. I've been hunting this spot now for quite some time. Ever since I was young, I've been hunting back in here, and every spring, man, these turkeys, they roost in the same spot every year. As soon as I got back here, right away they started gobbling, and this whole entire river hill right now has been lit up with gobbles. there's still another gobble going on over this pass. I mean, might try and squeeze back in here early this week. I got a second spring turkey tag, but set up right on top of them basically, you know, and I was covered within minutes. So get my stuff packed up and head on home, baby. I'm tagged out. I don't think it's 7 o'clock yet. It's a wrap. I think one of the other members, Greg, I think he shot one. He shot a gobbler. So got some more content coming to you guys, and we'll keep hammering away, baby. That's a victory sandwich right there, baby. Man, that's good. Have a coffee. I'm gonna go back home, take care of this bird, take a nap.